Hi friends, welcome back to Canada Tried and Tested. The building what you see right behind is the building where I was staying for 2 years and I called it home. In today's video I'll show you my one bedroom unit, and I will also share certain tips which has been learning for me in this last 2 years, so that it helps you when you are finding your home. So without wasting time, let's get in. So good thing about this place is that it has both the Toronto Transit as well as Mississauga Transit. You see that car? That is Toronto. Once the bridge is crossed, we get to Mississauga. So you can see here, this board says, welcome to Mississauga. So this is the property, and that's the unit where I was staying. So as we go, you see here, rent with confidence. So this rent with confidence, you can go and check online. When I came in, I saw this, and I also did some research before getting into this unit, and this unit has actually not let me down. So this is the entrance, okay, and this has been fully renovated now and it looks very bright. Let's go up. And we exit. So you see this nice bright right now, and it has fully gotten under renovation. Earlier it looked different. This really looks good now, and so this is my unit. Okay, so as we enter, first thing we come across is this storage. Here we used to keep our winter jacket as well as shoes. It's quite spacious for a family of two. And on the opposite side, again, there is adequate storage. You see here, remember this is a one bedroom house, and this is the storage. It was very adequate for us. Okay. And then this is the living room, very spacious, very big. Okay, so living, and then you have, this is the dining area. So this is the burner, this is the electric burner, and you have oven, okay, and this is the storage. With any unit you go, you get this as a standard fixture. Then you have sink, and you can see here adequate storage out here. And then good thing about this particular unit is that not all apartments have dishwasher, and this was actually a boon for us, as it took one activity of our life and it was completely taking care of our washing of utensils. So if you are looking in for any unit, if you get this, my tip is it really helps. And then you have refrigerator. So the usual fixture is refrigerator as well as the cooking range. This unit has a balcony, and I really like balcony. The new condo where we have gone does not have a balcony, but this place, you see how good this place is. So as we proceed towards the bedroom, this is the bedroom. Let's first see the storage. This is the storage. Okay, so this unit has one storage where you can keep your shoes, the other storage where you can keep all your packages, and this is the third one. And then you have this washroom. So one bedroom, one washroom unit. So this is the washroom. And again, if you see, this bedroom is very spacious, very well ventilated. Let me go on to the other side and show you around. Okay, and then this is the storage where you can keep your clothes. So this is what the 1-bedroom house in Mississauga looks like. So this unit is again approximately 30-year-old, but if you look at it's very well maintained, and these are bigger room sizes. The newer ones are smaller in square foot area, and it looks very cramped up if you go and stay there. The good thing about the older unit is that they are very spacious. You see here, the washer and dryer usually would be in common area, always busy. You have to live with that, and every time I would go and use the washer, I had to clean for human hair as well as the pet hair. You have to live with that. You have no choice, and sometimes it's time consuming activity. Once the clothes are put into the washer, you need to wait for 30 minutes. If you have to go up, come after 30 minutes. You approximately pay $4. It's 3.75 each dryer and washer cycle, and then you see 29 minutes at least for one cycle. Every time the clothes were to be removed, look for these pockets for the clothes, and lint is supposed to be cleaned after using the dryer, but most of the time I would find that not getting done. You can see here pet hair. So friend, this is the 1-bedroom house where I was staying for last 2 years. I hope you get some sense into what you will get when you look for a 1-bedroom house. Do let me know in comments if you have any questions. I will try to answer those. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.